Detroit, let's see your new pants.
You're gonna be all tight like.
I'm gonna be all tight like a vagina. Okay, so I'm Shelby. And see, she wants pants like mine. Cool legs like mine. I buy my pants at Ross.
Do you think I look okay with straight legged pants?
Make the ends a little loose. Cause you have
Why?
like ketchup bottle legs. Cause they get like really narrow at the ankle.
So
So it looks kind of bizarre, dude.
yeah,
Gnarly,
it's totally hardcore.
right? Maybe I need some of those. And flip up the bottoms.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
I'm doing it!
Like all the cool people in downtown Olympia with their pants like flipped up like this to here, and they got tube socks and Vans. Those people are the coolest
Your
ever.
mom's got tube socks and Vans.
I've got tube socks and Vans for you, baby.
I'll trade you that green